What is Solana? Solana is a blockchain platform designed to host decentralized, scalable applications. Founded in 2017, Solana is an open-source project currently run by Solana Foundation based in Geneva, while the blockchain was built by San Francisco-based Solana Labs. Solana is much faster in terms of the number of transactions it can process, and has significantly lower transaction fees compared to rival blockchains like Ethereum. The cryptocurrency that runs on the Solana blockchain, also named Solana, SOLUSD, and with the ticker symbol SOL, has soared almost 12,000% so far in 2021, and with a market capitalization of over $66 billion, it is the fifth largest cryptocurrency by this measure. Welcome back to another episode of Cryptopia. Cryptopia is your #1 channel for all of your crypto and NFTs needs. From the next hot altcoin that's going to explode, to helpful business guides surrounding finance and investing, we have it all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel now so you never get left behind with any of our breaking news or unmissable content. Trust us, you'll kick yourself if you don't. In this video we will be talking about Solana. Let's get into it. The altcoin Solana, SOL, has seen extreme growth in just the past month, climbing from $33.30 on the month-ago date to an all-time high of $130.01 on August 31st. But believe it or not, Solana Labs founder and CEO 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤𝐞 is a crypto skeptic. SOL coin aside, Solana is best known for its decentralized blockchain platform, which is centered on creating the cheapest, fastest, and most censorship-resistant network possible, according to 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐞. The 4-year-old blockchain platform has grown rapidly since its inception. Its blockchain ecosystem consists of over 400 projects focusing on topics like DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. In fact, the platform helps build big-name crypto companies like Sam Bankman-Fried's crypto exchange FTX and quantitative trading firm Alameda Research, as well as other companies. In addition to those big-name users, Solana has big-name investors that have backed the company with hundreds of millions of dollars. Earlier this year, the company raised $314 million in a private token sale led by 𝐥𝐸𝐬𝐷 and Polychain Capital. The company has no plans to slow down, either. This week, Solana launched its 4th hackathon event in an effort to expand the ecosystem even further. Solana co-founder 𝐦𝐨𝐸𝐤𝐞 published a white paper in November 2017 describing the proof of history (POH) concept. POH is a proof for verifying order and passage of time between events, and it is used to encode trustless passage of time into a ledger. In the white paper, 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐞 notes that blockchains that were then publicly available did not rely on time, with each node in the network relying on its own local clock without knowledge of any other participants' clocks in the network. The lack of a trusted source of time, i.e., a standardized clock, meant that when a message timestamp was used to accept or reject a message, there was no guarantee that every other participant in the network would make the exact same choice. POH gets past this hurdle, with every node in the network able to rely on the recorded passage of time in the ledger on the trustless basis that is key to blockchain functioning. 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐞's previous work experience was in the field of distributed systems design with leading technology companies such as Qualcomm Incorporated, Qualcomm. This experience had made him aware that a reliable clock simplifies network synchronization, and when that occurs, the resulting network would be exponentially faster, with the only constraint being its bandwidth. 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐞 surmised that using proof of history would speed up the blockchain tremendously compared with blockchain systems without clocks like Bitcoin and Ethereum that were struggling to scale beyond 15 transactions per second, TPS, worldwide, a fraction of the throughput handled by centralized payment systems such as Visa Incorporated. That required peaks of 65,000 TPS. The price of crypto assets, from Bitcoin to BNB, is creeping up again. The crypto market cap, which stood at $1.2 trillion on July 19, has since doubled to $2.4 trillion today. A major part of that has been Solana, an Ethereum competitor chain that advertises faster transaction speeds and lower costs. The network's native SOL token has tripled in price over the last month to a $40 billion market cap, according to data from CoinGecko. And with that, we've reached the end of this video about what Solana is. If you know anything we haven't mentioned, get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Cryptopia and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.